I never thought I'd say this, but Build-A-Boat players probably have the
IQ of Albert Einstein.
Like they literally made Clash Royale inside Build-A-Boat.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Like, how do you make a game inside a game that's already inside a game?
What's even crazier is that someone built an entire working laptop inside Build-A-Boat. I'll be honest, I don't think Build-A-Boat should be even called
Build-A-Boat because we will never see
See another boat be built in that game.